A citadel situated on the rock. God our strength, we shall not fail. Committed to raising leaders of tomorrow, imparting knowledge, skills, and integrity. We shall be truthful to your ideals. Ideal college, ideal.
Train up a child in the way he should go. When he grows, he won't depart from it. You want your child to be properly trained and nurtured without fears and regret. Then trust ID Comprehensive College at Abeokuta, which is situated at 80 Quarry Road, Okeshaje, Abeokuta, Ogun State. ID Comprehensive College is a co-educational day and boarding school, which is known for quality education, seasoned and qualified teachers, all in a serene environment, good transfer services, sound moral value. Above all, we are result-oriented. What are you waiting for? Because we offer admission into GS1 and GS2, SS1 and SS2. For more information, call
0034896106. You can also call 0069183915, 0025437583.
ID Comprehensive College, the Lord our strength.
Ideal college, Abeokuta.
Today, our topic for today is volume. And what is volume? The volume of a solid ship is the amount of space occupied by that ship, which means the amount of space of that particular ship, of an object. Volumes are always three-dimensional, which is length, breadth, or width, and height. For this lesson, we are going to be dealing with just three shapes: the cube, cuboid, and the cylinder. For the cube has 6 surfaces in total. But for the formula, we have the length, the breadth, and then the height, which has already been explained earlier that volumes are always three-dimensional. The length, the breadth, and then the height of the cube, which gives us this formula: length, which is L, that's been given as L, multiplied by breadth, which has been given as L as well, and multiplied by the height, which is also L, which gives us L raised to power 3. For the cuboid, it is the length multiplied by the breadth and the height. The formula for cuboid is the length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. For a cylinder, because it has an area base, these are the bases rather. We are going to carve out this part of the cylinder, and if we carve out this part of the cylinder, it's going to give us a circle. Now, the area for looking for a circle is pi r squared. But in this case, we are looking for the volume. Now we have area of the base, which is pi r squared, multiplied by the height of the cylinder, which is h. Now we have pi r squared h. That is the area base of the circle multiplied by the height. In addition, the cube is a shape of combination of squares, which means all the sides are equal. That is why we have the length multiplied by the length multiplied by the length. So in case we are given just a particular side, It means we'll apply that same particular side to all the sides because it is in form of a square shape. For the cuboid is a combination of rectangles. It is in the form of a rectangular shape. And that is why we have the length, the breadth, and then the height. Because the formula for finding a rectangle is length multiplied by breadth. Then the height is being included to find the volume, to get the volume, since volumes are always three-dimensional. For the cylinder, we have combination of circles and the height, which boils down to the formula for circle, which is the area of a circle multiplied by the height of that cylinder. Now to the examples. Find the volume of a cubic box of size 8 cm long. Number 2, a rectangular solid has length 12 cm, breadth 9 cm, and height 6 cm. What is the volume? Find the volume of a cylinder with base radius 7 cm and height 20 cm. The solutions. Volume of a cube. We have said the formula for volume of a cube is length times length times length, which is length raised to power 3. And here, we are already given the length of our cube to be 8 cm, a side of the cube to be 8 cm long. So we have length times length times length, which will give us 8 cm multiplied by 8 cm multiplied by 8 cm will give us 512 centimeter cube. How did you come about this 5 centimeter cube? Our centimeter multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter will give us centimeter cube. Number 2. A rectangular solid has length 12 centimeter, breadth 9 centimeter, and height 6 centimeter. What is the volume? A rectangular solid that is in form of a cuboid. Now we are applying the formula of a cuboid, which is the length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Our length has been given as 12 centimeter, breadth 9 centimeter, and the height 6 centimeter. So 9 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter would give us 648 centimeter cube. We should always take note that our volumes, the units always ends with a cube. Whether it is meter, whether it is in meter or in centimeter, we should always put the cube in front because volumes always deals with cube. It is 3-dimensional. That is why we have our centimeter multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter to give us centimeter cube. Number 3. Find the volume of a cylinder with base radius 7 centimeter and height 20 centimeter. Taking our pi as 22/7. This is a cylinder. We have said that we put the circle into consideration and then the height of the cylinder itself. So now we have been given our pi to be 22/7, and our radius is 7 centimeters, and we already have our height as well to be 20 centimeters. So number 3, volume of a cylinder equals pi r squared h. Taking our pi as 22/7. 22/7 multiplied by 7 centimeter multiplied by 7 centimeter multiplied by 20 centimeter. That is 22/7, which is the pi, multiplied by radius 7 centimeter, radius 7 centimeter again, times the height, which is 20 centimeter. Now we divide. 7 will cancel out 7. Here we would have 22 multiplied by the centimeter, multiplied by 7 centimeter, multiplied by 20 centimeter, which will give us 3080 centimeter cube. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter multiplied by centimeter. These are the exercises to practice with. Number 1, find the volume of a cube of side 20 centimeter long. Number 2, a rectangular solid has length 10 meter, breadth 6 meter, and height 7 meter. What is the volume? Number 3, find the volume of a cylinder with base radius 7 centimeter and height 15 centimeter. Taking pi as 22/7. Thank you.